So here find the angle between the two vectors a bar and a b bar, vectors a bar and b bar with the magnitude root 3 and 2 respectively, having a bar dot b bar is equal to root 6 here. Here you find the angle between two vectors here. Therefore, use this formula. So this is the definition here. A bar dot b bar is modulus of a bar into modulus of b bar into cos theta. This is the definition of dot product. Then the cross multiply, we get this formula. Therefore, here these are magnitudes here. So here modulus of a bar is equal to root of 3 and modulus of b bar is equal to 2 here. And a bar dot b bar, a bar dot of b bar is equal to root of 6 here. Okay. Then we know that cos of theta is equal to a bar dot of b bar divided by modulus of the vector a bar into modulus of the vector b bar here. So therefore this is equal to a bar dot b bar is the root of 6 here. So write in the numerator here root 6 divided by modulus of a bar is the root of 3 here. So root 3 into modulus of b bar is 2 here. Then root 6 can be written as root 3 into root of 2 here divided by root 3 write as it is here. And this 2 can be written as root 2 square here. Root 2 square. Yes, root 3, this root 3 cancels here. Root 2 and 1 time root 2 cancels, remaining is 1 divided by root 2 here. So cos theta is equal to 1 by root 2. Yes, theta is equal to 45 degree here. Therefore, angle between two vectors is 45 degree. Even in this case also, find the angle between the two vectors whose magnitude is 1 and 2 respectively, having a bar dot b bar is 1 here. Hence, modulus of a bar is 1 here. This one, modulus of b bar is 2 and a bar dot b bar is 1 here. So this is the formula. So modulus of a bar dot b bar is 1 here divided by modulus of a bar is 1 here. And modulus of b bar is 2, hence it is 1 upon 2 here. Cos theta is 1 upon 2, so theta is equal to 60 degree here. Or you can write pi by 3 also. So pi by 3 or 60 degree. This is the angle between the two vectors here. Okay. So find the angle between the two vectors here. So they given vectors in the component form here. Let us consider a bar is equal to I minus 2j plus 3k and the vector b bar is the 3i minus 2j plus k. Okay. So this is the formula. First, you find a bar dot b bar using this one here. Here a bar and b bar are the two vectors in component form here. Then a bar dot b bar is a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3 using this formula. Yes, a bar dot b bar, a bar dot of b bar is equal to 1 into 3 here. So 1 into 3 plus minus 2 into minus 2 here, minus of 2 into minus 2 plus then 3 into 1, so 3 into 1 here. Therefore this is equal to 3 ones are 3 here, minus into minus plus 2 twos are 4 plus 4 and 3 ones are 3 here plus 3. So 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 3 becomes 10 here. So these are 10. A bar dot b bar is 10 here. Then we find your modulus of a bar. modulus of the vector a bar is root of 1 square plus minus 2 square plus 3 square. That is the root of 1 square is 1 here, minus 2 square is plus 4 and 3 square is 9 here. It gives a root of 14 here, root 14. So similarly, modulus of the vector b bar is a root of so 3 square. So write here 3 square plus minus 2 square here plus 1 square. So root of 3 square is 9 here. And minus 2 square is 4. 1 square is 1 here. It is a root of 14 here. Root of 14. Therefore, we know that formula cos of theta is equal to a bar dot of b bar divided by modulus of a bar into modulus of b bar here. Here a bar dot b bar is 10 here. So right here this is equal to 10 divided by modulus of a bar is root 14. Modulus of b bar also root 14 here. Hence root of 14 into root of 14 here. Therefore this is equal to 10 divided by root 14 into root 14 is 14 here. Okay. Then you can cancel here. 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14. Yes, this is equal to 5 divided by 7 here. Take a cos right hand side here. So theta is equal to cos inverse of so 5 divided by 7 here. So this is the answer here. This is the angle between the two vectors here. Given vectors. Even this is also same type of example here. Find the angle between the two vectors here. They asked in the March 2016. It is a 2 marks question here. It is a 2 marks question. Yes, take a bar as I plus j minus of k, and the vector b bar is I minus j plus k. Find a bar dot b bar using this formula. Therefore, here 1 into 1 here. So 1 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1. 1 into minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 into 1 here. Minus 1 into 1. 1 into 1 becomes 1 here. So this is a minus of 1 and here is a minus of 1 here. Plus 1 minus 1 cancels here. Remaining is a minus of 1 here. Modulus of a bar is so root of so 1 square plus 1 square plus minus 1 square here. That is the root of 1 plus 1 plus 1. It gives a root of 3. Modulus of b bar is given by root of so 1 square plus minus of 1 square plus 1 square here. So square root of 1 plus 1 plus 1. It is the root of 3 here. Root 3. Yes, cos theta is a bar dot b bar upon modulus of a bar to b bar. Here a bar dot b bar is a minus 1 here. So minus 1 divided by modulus of a bar is the root of 3 here. Modulus of b bar is a root 3. Hence it is a minus of 1 upon 3 here. Take the cos right hand side here. Yes, theta is equal to cos inverse of minus 1 divided by 3 here. Cos inverse of minus 1 upon 3. This is the angle between the two vectors here. 2 marks question here. So find projection of the vector I minus j on the vector I plus j. So there is a one formula here. Projection of a bar on the vector b bar is a bar dot b bar divided by modulus of b bar here. So therefore, take a given matrix a bar and b bar here. A bar is equal to I minus j and the vector b bar is I plus j. Then you find your a bar dot b bar. A bar dot of b bar is equal to using again this formula. So 1 into 1 here. 1 into 1 plus minus 1 into 1 minus 1 into 1 here. So it gives 1 into 1 becomes 1 here, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, so it becomes 0 here. Then the modulus of the vector b bar. Modulus of the vector b bar is the root of so 1 square plus 1 square here. It gives the root of 2 here. Therefore projection of the vector a bar on the vector b bar is equal to the formula a bar dot of b bar divided by modulus of b bar here. Here a bar dot b bar value is 0 here, so that here 0 divided by root of 2 here. So root of 2, so 0 divided by 2 becomes 0 here. So projection of a bar on b bar is 0. This is the answer here. Well, this is also same type example here. Find the projection of the vector I plus 3j plus 7k on the vector 7i minus j plus 8k. So 3 times they asked here. July 15, March 18 and March 2020. It is a 2 marks question here. So therefore vector a bar is I plus 3j plus 7k and the vector b bar is 7i minus of j plus 8k. Find a bar dot b bar using this formula. Therefore 1 into 7 here. 1 into 7 plus 3 into minus 1. 3 into minus 1 plus 7 into 8 here. So 7 into 8. So 7 ones are 7 here. 3 ones are 3. Minus of 3. 8 sevens are 56 here. So 56 minus 3 gives 53 here. Plus 7. It gives 60. So a bar dot b bar is 60 here. Modulus of b bar is the root of so 7 square plus minus 1 square plus 8 square here. So root of 7 square is 49 here. Minus 1 square is 1 and 8 square is 64 here. 49 plus 1 becomes 50 plus 64 here. So 4, 6 plus 5 becomes 11 here. Okay. Therefore root of 114 here. So square root of 114. So projection of a bar on b bar. A bar dot b bar is 60 here divided by modulus of b bar is the root of 114 here. Root of 114. Okay. Find the projection of the vector 2i plus 3j plus 2k on the vector I plus 2j plus k. Therefore, even this is also same type of example here. So 3 times they asked here. July 14, July 18 and March 19. 2 marks question here. Yes, 2i plus 3j plus 2k and here vector b bar is I plus 2j plus k. A bar dot b bar, it's a dot product is 2 into 1 here. So 2 into 1 plus 3 into 2. So 3 into 2 plus 2 into 1 here. So 2 into 1. Then 2 ones are 2 here. 3 twos are 6. Again 2 ones are 2 here. 2 plus 2 4. 6 plus 4 becomes 10 here. Then modulus of b bar is the root of so 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square here. It is the root of 1 plus 4 plus 1 here. It is the root of 6 here, root 6. Therefore, projection of the vector a bar on the vector b bar is a bar dot b bar upon modulus of b bar. It is 10 divided by root of 6 here. So 10 divided by root 6 is the answer here. You can simplify this one here. Just multiplying numerator and denominator by root 6 here. Even this is also answer. If you want further simplification, then you can do like this here. Multiplying and dividing by root 6. It is called a rationalization here. Therefore, this is equal to 10 root 6 divided by root 6 into root 6 is only 6 here. Then 2 3s are 2 5s are 10 here. Yes, this is equal to 5 root 6 divided by 3 here. Even this is also answer 10 by root 6. Otherwise, you can simplify like this here. So 5 root 6 upon 3 is the answer. So here two vectors are there, a bar and b bar. Then show that the vectors a bar plus b bar and a bar minus b bar are perpendicular to each other. So there is a property here. So here a bar dot b bar is a 0 if and only if a bar perpendicular to b bar. Two vectors are perpendicular if dot product is 0. Therefore, effective find here a bar plus b bar and a bar minus b bar here. Okay. So take your solution. A bar is the vector 5i minus j minus 3k, and the vector b bar is I plus 3j minus of 5k. Then add the vectors here. A bar plus b bar is equal to so 5i minus j minus 3k plus then I plus 3j minus of 5k. 5i plus I becomes 6i. So this equal to 6i here. Minus j plus 3j gives a 2j here. Plus 2j and minus 3k minus 5k becomes minus of 8k here. Minus 8k. Need to find here a bar minus b bar here. The vector a bar minus the vector b bar is a bar is the vector 5i minus j minus of 3k. Then write here minus n into bracket I plus 3j minus of 5k. Take this minus inside the bracket here. Hence 5i minus j minus 3k minus I minus 3j minus into minus becomes a plus 5k. 5i minus I gives a 4i. So this is equal to 4i. Minus j minus 3j minus of 4j. Minus 3k plus 5k plus 2k. It is a plus 2k. Then find its a dot product here. Hence a bar plus b bar dot of a bar minus of b bar is equal to, so using this formula. Okay. So a bar plus b bar and a bar minus b bar, two vectors are there. So 6 into 4 plus 2 into minus 4 here. 2 into minus 4 plus then minus 8 into 2 here. Minus of 8 into plus 2 here. Therefore 6 4s are 24. Minus into plus is a minus here. 4 2s are 8. Again plus into minus is a minus. 8 2s are 16 here. Yes, 24 minus 8 minus 16 is a minus 24 here. So this gives what is 0. Yes, dot product is a 0. If a dot product is 0, then they are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, A bar plus B bar and A bar minus of B bar are perpendicular to each other. They are perpendicular to each other.